My name is Zoe Reyna, and this is my Chapter 5 reflection presentation on the 7 elements in design. The elements of design. There are 7 elements that are used when it comes to graphic design. The elements are known as space, line, shape, color, size, value, and texture. These elements are used when creating the design and are important to know in order to visually enhance what you are trying to express in the design. The first element I'm going over is space. It is one of the 7 most important elements. Though there are a lot of different types of space to identify, its overall purpose is being used in a design to add to its appearance or exemplify certain aspects of it in order to manipulate the design to appear a certain way. The different types of space are 3D, white, layering, one-point perspective, and positive/negative space. 2 examples of how space is used in a design is the USA logo and the FedEx logo. How it's used in the USA logo is the way the U and the A are written and being shaped gives the illusion that there is an S in the middle. And FedEx is the space between the E and the X that shows a pointing arrow. The next element is line. A line is 2 points connected together. It is used in a variety of ways, typically in leading the eyes toward something and also as a border around a design. There are different types of variations in lines as well, such as changes in thickness, irregularity in the lines, dashed, dotted, etc. Examples are the 2 lines that are shown right here, both leading towards the title, and this graphic design cover, which has arrows leading to the eyes to the title. The next element, shape. Shapes are objects, whether it be consisting of one or more sides or no sides at all, like the circle. They are used in design as they are or placed together to create the illusion of something else. They can be construed in different ways to portray things like safety and ease, imbalanced, chaotic, and many other. Examples of shape include the Splat Nickelodeon logo, and this design that uses shapes to make the form of a bicycle right here. Next is color. Color in design is used to convey certain emotions from the design. They are also used to single out an important aspect of the design in order to point the viewer's attention to that specific thing. So in that, it's like how green represents natural colors and how red can represent either love or anger, blue calm, and if there were to be just a single red object in a black and white photo, that would draw the viewer's attentions towards that. There are different types of colors that make color schemes, and they can be used to complement and contrast one another. There are also different effects such as tinting, shading, and highlighting of color to produce different tones in them, like dull or bright tones, for example. Examples of color used in design is primary colors like the original brand Popsicle and Sonic use in their logo. Next is size. Sizing parts of a design determine what the company/brand want their viewers to notice first. Whether it be text, an object, or person, it sticks out and is exaggerated in order to present what may be more important in that design. Examples include iconic movie poster for Jaws, which has the title Jaws and Jaws itself exaggerated in size, so that more so than the person here, because the movie is not um, directly about that person, but about Jaws itself, and that's how they portrayed it as in the poster. And the iconic Uncle Sam poster right here, which is a huge Uncle Sam that takes up most of the poster, along with his phrase um, that they used in order for the US Army to get recruitment. Next, value is the shading used in design that may complement and contrast each other. It uses a scale of 1 through 9 and divides into three groups of highlighting, midtones, and shadows. Uh, Knowing the different levels and how to use them properly is how one may be able to use different values and shades to complement or contrast. Examples are shading of an object to make it appear as if light were to be hitting it on a side, um, as well as give the illusion of what part of the design is in the front, um, such as this ball sketch that uses shading to portray a 3D effect on it, which is right here. Here's another one that uses the different toning of the grays to create a design. And lastly is texture. Texture in design is how to portray textures such as silk, soft cotton, and plywood, and many others, um, whether it be visually or physically. Its usage helps represent what the company works with or has to offer. Some examples of textures usage in design is art like the image in the left right here that is portraying the illusion of leaves, as well as this thumbprint on the poster of this Oscar Wilde quote. That concludes my presentation. I hope you all enjoyed. I look forward to hearing feedback from you all, and bye.